What's up, Urban Strides family? Very excited for this announcement today. I know you've been in tenterhooks for a couple of days. Took us a little while to organise it. It's due to scheduling and just arrangements. We've been trying to do this for about a year, but it hasn't always aligned. I'm very excited to announce that now it has. And we have confirmed that on Monday, February the 10th at 7:45 at Berks New University Dance Studio, street dance legend Brooklyn Terry will be doing a 2-hour workshop. Very excited to have Terry. Last time Terry was here was, I can believe it, nearly 7 years ago. Came down to and trained with us in 2013. He's an absolute legend. If you don't know who Brooklyn Terry is, where have you been? I talk about him all the time in my classes. He's someone that when I first started and I knew nothing, he took me under his wing, supported me, gave me so much help, advice, and mentored me. Amazing guy. Introduced me to a load of street dance pioneers. And he's an amazing dude and an unbelievable dancer. And he seems to be getting better, which is crazy. He's always improving. So if you've never done a workshop with Terry, you need to be there. If you've never done a street dance workshop with a pioneer, you need to be there. If you've done street dance workshops with pioneers, you know how important it is to be there. You might notice they're not making any more street dance pioneers. So when you get an opportunity like this, you want to grab it with both hands. If you're passionate about street dance culture, come down. He's going to be doing house. It's going to be an amazing opportunity. So if you want to come down on Monday the 10th at 7:45 for a couple of hours for an amazing session with us, do get yourself there. Just to let you know, the last time we announced a street dance workshop with a pioneer, it sold out. It was with Mr. Wiggles. It sold out in just 6 hours. So we know it's going to be in high demand. So my advice is, you'll see a link in this post. Jump on it and book it right now. And Terry's got a couple of words for you as well. Peace.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Brooklyn Terry, from that Crew Elite Force. I am going to be in High Wycombe on February 10th. That's right. I have a class, have a workshop. 2 hours, starting from 7:45. So that is 7:45 to 9:45. I'm all yours. Peace. See you then. High Wycombe, February 10th, 7:45. Brooklyn Terry.